I flew in one of these in 1970 to Oshkosh. That was one I wanted to have if I ever got an airplane. This aircraft came from northern Minnesota in a very bad state. A guy had owned it, flipped it on his back in his first week of ownership. I found it in the barnstormers, and not knowing a lot about this aircraft as far as a teardown, I bought it. I brought it home on a flatbed trailer, and it was completely disassembled. I did the wings and all the tail controls and all the other parts. A local guy right in his airport rebuilt this engine for me. And it is the original engine on this airplane. It came with it in 1955 because it's a 55 model. So yeah, I did all the fabric work on it, all the painting work on it, interior. It's got all controls redone, everything redone on it. I tried to get it back as original as I can make it. There are things that you can never get for this airplane original anymore. But I did get it back to where I think it's very presentable. I purchased it in 2000. I got it flyable in 2004. That's when I started taking my lessons. And that's when I got my private pilot license. So basically I gave up the thought of even flying until I was 50. And then I thought, if I don't do it then, I'll never do it. For all the people that are out there getting older, because I'm going to be 70 this summer, if you still want to fly, you can do it at age 70. You don't have to be 20 to start. You've got the opportunity. These aircraft here are becoming very reasonable to purchase and simple to enjoy. And I would suggest anybody that wants to get in flying, consider these airplanes for that purpose.